प्रीतम दा comes, I promise you, he'll perform live for you all. जो कॉन्सर्ट होते हैं उनके लिए वो लाइव परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे जब वो आएंगे. बट कब आ रहे हैं किसी को आइडिया? सॉरी, I'll 100% dance. If he dances, I'll dance.
Such a good dance is
Even
still.
There are so many people who've seen Sajid sir's one step he does, which I've seen you doing always.
That cross. Yeah.
So once Dada comes.
You going? Yeah. Thanks.
Tell Rohit next time we come, we all stop.
I'll tell him. Go.
Very nice.
Thank you, Kumar.
वरुण साजिद बहुत ही रिफ्रेशिंग गाना है. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है हर कोई हम करते हुए निकल रहा है ये गाना सुनते ही. What was your first reaction when you heard the song? क्योंकि जब परफॉर्म करना होता है तो फिर गाना भी वैसा ही चाहिए.
You know, honestly, when Dada and Rohit worked together for the first time, they did Subha Hone Na De. So when these tunes come and the Kacha tunes come, it's very difficult to judge what happens with the song. And I think then Pritam Dada put some stuff in it and he got this electronic sound which is very current today in hip-hop music all over the world. So that all started coming in and the song just went to another level. And I think when they made Sajid sir hear it, he has one of the best ears you have in the industry today, and he has this reputation of having, no honestly, he has a reputation of always having hit songs, you know, whether it's been with Dad or whether it's been with Sabir.
Yeah,
or
we are good Kansen.
So I think the team of Rohit, Sajid sir and Pritam sir all together has come up with this.
How was it dancing with Jackie and John?
Oh, superb. Jackie is a fireball.
John didn't dance.
Yeah. John did the peck dance.
Yeah.
Dance with the chest and his bicep, where he picks her up. But I got to dance with Jackie and she's a tremendous dancer. I think she's immensely flexible, immensely professional, and I think the most important thing, she's very happy. उसको कुछ भी करा लो बहुत खुश है वो.
I think when the movie Dilwale was released, at that time you had continuously spoken about the piracy and the issue related to piracy.
Correct.
And yesterday, this movie Ulta Punjab got leaked out, and the interesting thing was that it had a watermark which said was censor. What are your thoughts about it?
Honestly, I don't know.
And a son of a producer.
Just director, but I don't know about the whole issue. But all I can say that I think as an industry we are all against piracy.
I mean, there's a FIR filed and it's a very shameless act, and it should not be taken as it's come from the censor. They have to find out.
And
as a producer, how would you feel when such things happen? You know, how
It's a criminal offense. We've always, from the last 15 years, said that we should take out this word piracy and put it as a criminal. Piracy makes it sound very cool. It's pirated. It's not pirated. It's theft. It's a proper thief enters in, and it's too dangerous. Already the film, but I feel this film has got a great scope, and now it will do wonders now. I heard it. I don't know. There's nothing come to me. I read it somewhere.
You know, I'll tell
We
you.
shot it in Morocco. So
Yeah.
there's no question
There's
of.
no, it's not a kirpan, it's an Arabic sword which has been used. And we've actually must be having it even in our peti or something so we can show it. And I'm a Punjabi myself. And so is my brother. So we would never do something like that. And I hope if someone is mistaken, it's a misunderstanding, I can say.
No, we have a team of lawyers now. It's become a habit for the last 1 month. There are stories about, like for Houseful, we had 6 people filing a case that it's their stories. And there is critics saying that there is no story in the film. so this is how it happens. So we've got a team of lawyers now for these controversies.
नहीं किसी के लिए नहीं कहा पर मैं डिशुम के लिए कहूँगा ये पिक्चर के लिए मैं डेफिनेटली जान दे सकता हूँ एंड बिकॉज आई रियली बिलीव इन इट एंड जैसे कि इन्होंने पायरेसी का इशू का सो इन द फिल्म वी डू प्ले कॉप्स मी एंड जॉन सो वी आर अगेंस्ट दिस इन लाइफ ऑल्सो एंड इन द फिल्म ऑल्सो वी आर देयर टू सॉल्व क्राइम वी आर देयर टू स्टैंड अप for the good. So we are playing these good characters that stand up for good things, and I think for any good cause, I would want to stand up and put my life on the line for any good cause to try to support. Do it.
No, I read it till now.
They're all over the place in the last few weeks.
No, weeks? No, I read it day for yesterday. Yeah, 2 days before.
So in the movie we see that Virat Kohli's character is being
Virat Sharma.
yeah. Does the real life Virat Kohli know about it? What do you guys
He knows about it. He knows about it. No, he's totally cool with it. I know Virat. I'm calling him Virat. I know Virat because we are on a team together, the Goa FC in the ISL. So I think when the film was being made, also he knew about it, and I sent him the trailer. He saw it and stuff, and he said, as long as I'm shown as a good guy, it's cool. And he asked me if he's hitting any people. I said no, that no, but he's totally cool with it.
And after Desi Boys, even this film after Joytavan and Peter. So what kind of album is this? Can we expect from this film and how many songs are there?
No, he's got that DNA from his family. Dad, when he made a first film for me, Judwa, it was great music. Then he made Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, great music. He made Desi Boys, and same track is repeating. You'll be amazed. We've got a great album.
How many songs are there?
There's about 3 to 4. 3 plus. Yes, why not?
So definitely देखने मिलेंगे. It's a bit early क्योंकि फिल्म July 29 को रिलीज हो रही है and we are still in June and John is shooting for Force. He's coming back on the 21st and then onwards and so is Jacqueline coming back on the 23rd. But ये गाना हमें launch करना था and I really believe in this track even for the audio and the visual in general. So I think Sajid sir said that we should do something. So we decided to do it with you guys. You know, we've shown you the song before the public or the Aam Janta can see it, so that you all get a taste of it and get an idea of it.
But it's quite an action-packed sequence, like the entire movie is quite packed with action. So any particular personal actor that you get inspired from?
Get inspired from who does really good action. I think we have so many action heroes here today. We have so many homegrown action heroes. I think Tiger is outstanding what he's done in Baghi. There's a sequence in Mission Impossible where he hung off the plane for 6 minutes. So that was tremendous. So I can seek inspiration from that. And then there are so many over here like Hrithik Roshan, Salman Bhai, Akshay Kumar is amazing. So yeah, I get inspired by homegrown talent as well.
Varun, you have spoken about Hollywood. You love for Captain America. You spoke about Hollywood films doing good business.
Yeah.
And even Vishnu is different. Vishnu is with Born Legacy.
Yeah.
So do you see that as a competition? What do you have to say about that?
See, honestly, I can say is that I come from a family that loves cinema, and if you made a good film, it'll work. I feel. I mean, just see Sairat today, what it's done. And just on the basis of being a great film, I saw it that day and I was blown away. And I think if you make a good film, then it'll work. Nothing else matters.
वरुण, अभी आपने कहा कि गुड कॉज के लिए खड़े होना चाहिए, कोई एक गुड कॉज कंट्री के लिए जिसमें आप पर्सनली बिलीव करते हो और खड़े हो, अगर आपको मौका मिले तो क्या होगा?
I think equality among any gender inequality is wrong. I think, and I think we are going through that revolution in our society where women are concerned today. Women are becoming more powerful. They are becoming a more important part of society today. So I'll definitely stand for that. I hope so. I don't know. Some people tell me I'm not. Some people वो बदलता रहता है हर हफ्ते.
What is your personal choice? Like,
My personal choice is good films. I think I just want to do good cinema, good films that entertain people. It's as simple as that. People can say that अरे ये मासी है, ये मसाला है, ये वो, but when films work, they work for a reason. Like Sajid sir said also. There's no people make the films work.
Varun, apart from films also, you're praised as one of the biggest taglines ever replaced by Ranbir Kapoor.
I would not like to comment.
Varun, you also have dreamed of coming up with Siddharth and Alia. How exciting are you?
Very excited about that. And I think because like you asked also that what can we expect from the album. So I'm expecting that I get 2-3 more songs to perform from Dishum over there.
Somebody said almost it looks quite similar to the Is that due date, the Hollywood?
Okay.
Which one? Dream one or this one?
No. I don't think so.
Yeah?
I
I'm
don't think either of us look like Robert Downey Jr. So, or I hope I don't look like that. No, I think it's just the walk. If you're walking, but there's no similarity.
Sajid, sir, when can we expect you to announce the state of
Slate?
People have been asking for slate for a long time.
No. Yeah, lots. Not ready yet with the slate. Let's finish this year's slate here.
Sajid, ये आपसे पूछने लगता है कि जनरली आजकल I spoke to many top directors and they say that
You didn't speak to me. Directors, yes. I'm the third director. What you saying?
First
the only
film.
debut to touch 200.
200 crores.
Very bad, eh? हाँ sir.
So what they have to say is that we don't stop our creativity just because of censorship for whatever they're doing. We want to make the kind of films we have been making. But the thing is, we also think about our producers, our actors के बारे में सोचना पड़ता है.
Yeah, nobody thinks
Like
about
Hansal
that.
Mehta and all this people say.
No creative director thinks about the producer. They think about the film. When I was a director, I didn't think about the producer. So they think about the film, and that is why they get hurt when something is cut, which is justified.
So we stand by them.
Of course you have to. I mean, when you sign them, you have to.
So actually, I wanted to ask you, Sikh समुदाय के जो लोग हैं, वो इस song
One say, sorry.
Sikh समुदाय के जो लोग हैं, वो इस song को लेकर विरोध कर रहे हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि इस गाने को निकाल दिया जाए.
Once they see this song, they didn't see, they saw the clipping and they thought it's a kirpan. But now how do we explain that it's shot in Morocco between the...
तो आगे अगर वो लोग protest करें,
अभी नहीं करेंगे, I don't think. They have not seen the song, so that's why they must be...
Yeah, they'll see the song.
Okay.
So, thank you guys. देखा तो है तूने?
whoever's not seen the song this
क्या जिसने गाना नहीं देखा है आके आप लोग अंदर देख सकते हैं. When you come, we'll come back out.
ओ ये गाने में बहुत मजा है। पहले मैं बोल के रखूं कि रोहित के साथ काम करने में बहुत मजा आया। मैं हमेशा ये बिलीव करता हूं कि कोई भी फिल्म का म्यूजिक इज अबाउट द कोलैबोरेशन विद द डायरेक्टर। और रोहित के साथ मैं पहले देसी बॉयज किया हूँ, उसमें भी काफी देसी बॉयज टाइटल सॉन्ग सुबह होने ना दे थे मैं। तो रोहित इज वेरी क्लोज टू मी एंड उसके साथ काम करने में बहुत बहुत मजा आया। एंड आई ही इज अ वेरी म्यूजिकल गाय। और ये गाना एक्चुअली मेरा बहुत दिन पहले से कंपोज किया हुआ था और द हुक पार्ट। और रोहित जब ये सुना उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा और बोला कि मेरा सिचुएशन में परफेक्टली फिट होता है। और